Welcome back. Now, an intense jet stream across the Caribbean is guiding much of the moisture into the western portion of the basin. We have generally stable conditions across the open waters this evening, very few clouds, some isolated thunderstorms developing across sections of Hispaniola and Puerto Rico. But we are seeing stable conditions persist right across the Caribbean because of those strong winds and because of that drying that has been persisting across the area over the past few weeks. Now, the forecast for tonight is for stable conditions with fair skies across the island. We're expecting the temperatures to drop to about 25 degrees Celsius. Expect winds from the east and southeast on the north coast averaging about 5 knots. Now in the morning tomorrow, we're expecting partly cloudy conditions, mainly across inland areas and sections of the west. And then for the afternoon, there are some showers across western parishes, but partly cloudy conditions are expected across most of the island. Temperatures reaching 35 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 34 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. It's generally sunny in Morant Bay and in Port tomorrow. Windy conditions persist across the southeast. It's partly cloudy in Maypen, Mandeville, also in Santa Cruz, Black River and Negril. Expect a few showers if you're in Savannah, Lamar or Lucy. Partly cloudy conditions persist through northeastern parishes and northeastern sections of the island tomorrow. We're also expecting partly cloudy skies in Golden Spring and Bogwalk. A few showers are possible in Grange Hill in the afternoon. Now, partly cloudy skies are likely across much of the island for the afternoons Thursday, Friday and Saturday. For the marine forecast, on the north coast tomorrow, the winds are easterly. They're averaging about 20 knots and with wave heights averaging 2 meters. The small craft warning stays in effect for inshore areas of the south coast tomorrow. The winds are anywhere between 15 getting up to 25 knots with wave heights possibly getting up to 2.5 meters. And the small craft warning extends into offshore areas for winds between 25 and 30 knots and wave heights between 2.5 and 3 meters. And the warning is likely to continue for the remainder of this week. We have strong winds at 20 to 25 knots with wave heights from 2 to 2.5 meters Thursday, Friday and Saturday. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 6:46, while the sunset at Negril Point is 6:52. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. Thank you so much for watching.